Welcome to another Simple Dad Instagram tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the 2022 recap video reel on Instagram. If you're new here, then please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So now on Instagram, you can create your very own 2022 recap reel. So let me show you how to create these kind of videos. So first you want to open up your Instagram app. Next, you want to tap on your profile tab here at the bottom right. Then you want to tap on the plus sign at the top right. Select Reel. Now once the Reel camera opens up, at the bottom here, select Templates. And now this will show you all the 2022 recap templates. And browse through them and select the one that you want to create. Once you've selected the template, go ahead and tap on Use Template. Now here you can replace all these clips with your own. So to replace it, just tap on the clip, select a picture, and then press Next. Second clip, select a media from your phone library. And by repeating these steps, you'll basically replace all those pictures. Then tap on Next. Now tap on Next at the bottom right. Now go ahead and watch your Instagram Reels. The sound is already added on this Instagram Reel template. I have muted the sound due to copyright reasons. Now once you're happy, tap on Next. And now once you're happy, tap on Next and then go ahead and post the reel to Instagram. So that is how to create the 2022 recap video reel on Instagram. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.